So this is an online web application based how to enhance our teaching learning process. So in this, a teacher can create a module, where online module, like suppose a lesson. So I'll be just clicking on this lesson. And here you can see, for creating a lesson, a great TED lesson page starts with a great video. तो इसमें ये है कि बेसिकली इनका ये पहले एक इंट्रोडक्टरी वीडियो रहेगा. Student will watch that video, and various assignments or something can be given to the students regarding that video. So here it is saying either you can search by keywords or you can paste an existing YouTube URL. So like suppose I'm taking one example of chemistry practical, that is titration. So if I'll search titration, so various videos from YouTube we can get here regarding titration. But if we want our uploaded specific video, अगर हम चाहते हैं कि हमारी अपलोड की हुई YouTube पे जो हमने अपलोड किया है वीडियो, उसको हम यहाँ पे ऐड कर पाए, so simply what you have to do, like I am having a link. This is the video, YouTube video link. And as I searched it out, I got this video. This video was made by Ravi sir. So he has uploaded it on YouTube. So after this, I'll click continue. So now you can see YouTube heading, that is volumetric analysis is the our lesson title. Now we'll go to let's begin. So here what you can do, introductory part, like what your video is all about. So we can say like chemistry practical on titration. So I just copied it from here and I pasted it here. So chemistry practical on titration, and I saved it. Now here think part is there, where we get multiple choice question as well as open answer question. So open answer question is descriptive type of, like in which you'll ask a question and student will answer it by typing the answer. So first we'll take the MCQ part. So like this is the first question, potassium permanganate one. And like this is none of these. If suppose you don't want the fourth option, generally we have four options. If you don't want this fourth option, you can just click delete answer. And if suppose you want many other option like 5 to 6 options, you can add the answer as well. So this is how you can add or delete answer. So here our answer was this oxidizing agent. So here you can see these buttons A, B, and C options. So you can simply select any of the option whichsoever is correct. So here oxidizing agent was correct. So I have marked it as correct answer. Now here one more interesting part is there, that you can provide video hint. Like if suppose the answer is provided in the video itself, so you can mark this video till there, bookmark this video till there. So how it is done, like suppose this answer is at 0.21 seconds. So simply I'll get the and you can see this bar has moved ahead. So I'll show you how it works. Then we have to add another MCQ. So like which kind of titration is KMNO4 versus more salt? Let's take 3 options only here. And B was the correct answer. Now here also, if you don't want to provide any video hint, so you can just leave it blank, and I don't want this fourth option here. So I'm just leaving video hint blank. Then simply another question. Now we'll be having this open answer question. So this is descriptive type. So like here, how will you prepare M by 40 Mohr salt solution? So a student will be answering it in a descriptive manner. Then I'll another one. And here you can see the video hint is given, but generally for descriptive one, we don't provide video hint because we want student to write it up. Otherwise, student will listen the hint from the video and then start typing out of that hint. So video hint is not provided here. It is just provided for this. If suppose a student answers it wrong. Now we'll go to dig deeper. So here you can paste the links, images, or if suppose you want to give any supplemental text, any supplemental information regarding your practical. So like suppose one link from internet, I like this very much, and I wanted to share it with students. So I can write like, click here to read more about titration. So I'll just highlight this, go to link, and I'll simply paste the link that I had. And now you can see that it is having this hyperlink attached to it. So I'm just saving it. I hope till here every part is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now under discuss, like if suppose you want to have a forum type of part where you can start a discussion in which students can have a group discussion regarding any topic, so you can give it like discussion or class discussion on titration. So this we can do. Then after this, if you want to provide any description, it is optional. Then after that, and finally, so this is a conclusion part where whatsoever your summarized thing tells you all about. So I have a conclusion already written, like write your answers on your report sheet, like using your calculator and so on and so forth. So I have a pre-made text. Thanks a lot to Ravi sir. So this is how it will look like. Now, after this has been done, we'll click on this publish button. And as soon as we have clicked on publish button, so here you can see it requires a student to use TED account as well as don't require students to use TED accounts. So as directed by the management, it has been said to require the students to use TED accounts. So we'll share this lesson, and now you can see one link has been generated. So I'm just copying it to clipboard, and I'll open this link. So you can see here this link is there. So lesson created by My Garden. This is my YouTube channel that is coming. So because my account was created with this name. Then TEDx lesson creator is I am the lesson creator, and video is from Ravi Gaur, as you can see. So sir has uploaded it on his channel, his YouTube channel. So it is also giving me reference from where this video has been taken. Then suppose all the teachers they upload it on school YouTube channel, so they can provide the link, and here Patanjali Rishikul and so on will come. So like first students can watch the video. So like suppose a student has watched this video, this whole video till the end. After that, this think one is there where it is saying first question is that potassium permanganate is type of, so I think so the answer was oxidizing agent, but I'll put the wrong answer. So now as I clicked, it is asking me to either log in or register. So because I haven't made any student account, so I'll quickly register it. And a student can create out of the Google account. So I'll be using so the role is like student. So clicking the precipitating agent, the wrong answer. So I'll just click save my answer. And it is saying that wasn't it, means I had selected the wrong answer. So it is saying either try again or go to video hint. Let's check out what video hint is. So as you see, that video is telling that it is a strong oxidizing agent. So I can go to try again and then click on oxidizing agent and then save my answer, and it is saying correct. So 3 more questions. So which kind of, and you can see 3 options are there, that fourth one I had deleted. So which kind of titration is KMnO4 as Mohr's salt? So I think so redox reaction was the answer, and it is correct. So on the next question, so how will you prepare this solution? So suppose I write some answer just for an example, and I save my answer. So it is saying thank you, and then the process of something. So I've written the answer, saved it again, and saying thank you. Then next section. So 4 questions were asked. For that, I have given the answer. So here it is saying additional resource for you to explore. So here under this, click here to read about more about titration. So as soon as I click here, a student will click here. So he or she will see all the procedures regarding that particular titration experiment. Like if you want to share any resource, any other like Wikipedia link or whatsoever link you want to share, you can just share. Or suppose any image you want to share, you can upload those images also. So next, here you can see class discussion on titration. So here students can means start a discussion, or if you write any question here, so students can respond to that various questions and either give you hits and all. Then and finally, you can see the conclusion here. Whatsoever you want to tell students, like do this in your notebook or something you have learned this and this from this lesson. So this kind of conclusion part you can add to your video. I also made one for this water cycle, so you can find this water cycle one. Now coming to the review part, like what students have done, how can we view? Like I gave one example from
Hello.
Patanjali Rishikul. I made one student's ID. So how we can see?
Am I audible now? Sorry
that
to
is,
sir. Am I audible?
yes sir, yes sir.
Acha, acha. Give me permission of sharing the screen, and I am having the link also. I'm just ठीक है, बता लो, फिर बताते हैं.
हाँ. बस ये था कि कैसे अब हम स्टूडेंट्स के वर्क को रिव्यू कर सकते हैं. सो लाइक आई हैवंट रिफ्रेश दिस पेज, तो अभी ये हाईलाइट नहीं हुआ है रिव्यू ऑफ स्टूडेंट, बिकॉज आई गेव इट ऑन डिफरेंट टैब. So now as I refreshed it, you can see it is saying review students work. Now it is highlighted. So as I click on it, so you can see ki here various reviews are there. You can view the students answer, like whosoever gave it. So like you can provide the feedback to the student, back to the student, that why this answer was wrong or something other if you want. One more specialty is there, that you can simply download the results in the form of CSV. So as you click on this download, student download response, so you can find this response here. So on what date, what time the student gave the response, which type of question, what was the question, and what answer the student gave. So each and everything will be recorded in one Excel file. So it will be easy for the teachers to have all the data in one file instead of going here and individually viewing each and everything. So you can see like Patanjali Rishikul's last activity, whensoever he or she was online, and what answers or attempts they gave. So this is there. So I hope this is clear.